Hey everybody, well here's the beginning of my next painting. I'm gonna do a little bit of a different video now, and I figure the thing I'll do is I really don't have the ability to try to record while I'm painting. So the thing I'm gonna do is do like one step at a time and then show you the results. So here's the base coat of white, and I have some light violet blue for the sky and a little bit of a different color blue. I forgot what the name was, sorry, for the water. So, of course, towards the end, I'm going to end up adding maybe clouds, and this is only step one. There's going to be a lot more to follow. So, it's going to be segments at a time after I get done with it. All right, thank you, people. See you in the next part. Hey, what's up, people? Well, here's step two, a little background, bushes, some grass, some bottom grass at the bottom. So I'm going to have to let this dry before I do the next layer on top of all that. So keeping up with the different steps and trying out this new version of making a short video rather than recording the whole entire thing. So this is what I have so far. This is step two. That's what I ended up using. A little bit of color, 4 different brushes, just for that. Alright, people, we'll see you in the next step. Hey, what's up? Well, here we are. So this is step 3 and the last one. So a little bit of back history on this. I started this painting on October 7th, and then a couple of stressful things came up and I got sidetracked, and I wasn't really in the mood for painting, so I didn't really do much. And then around I think it was like the last week in November, I decided that, well, let me do a little bit more. So I did like step 2 in November, but still stressful. And then finally the stressful issue was resolved, and I just finished this today actually. I don't really remember where this picture was supposed to be going, but I ended up just kind of trying to finish it off so I could get with the next one. So there it is. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. It's kind of like my little walk in the park during the autumn. So I'd appreciate it if you would hit that like, hit the subscribe, and hit that little ding-a-ling bell so you could be notified with the next short. Usually I'll do shorts of the finished products, but I'm trying to figure out ways to get it where I can make a little bit of a longer video, and hopefully one of these days I could figure out how to actually record while I'm painting. Alright, people, hope you all had a great and happy, healthy Christmas. And it's almost New Year's, so Happy New Year, everyone. Hope it's going to be a great year for everybody. And as usual, peace out, people.